day, all fans of adventure. So we're about to embark on a traffic pattern, which is essentially going to flying in a rectangular pattern around the airport. It doesn't seem like a big deal to all of you, but it's a very big deal when you're student pilot and you start doing that, because that is the last step before you're able to solo. It includes flying a rectangle just over the airport, and then doing everything yourself, including traffic communication, doing the radio communications, and doing all takeoffs and landings. Make sure the landings are soft, and then taxi onto the taxiway, and finish the flight without instructor doing or saying anything. And after that, the student can do the flight all on their own. Let's wish our student good luck. He's over there. We're not gonna show him, but he's about to embark on this most likely last flight before his solo. can see, we're back on the ground. The airplane's back in its spot. Traffic pattern went great. Great job. The assumed pilot, he did a great pattern. Takeoffs were perfect. Landings were perfect, as you can see on the video right there. And his next flight is going to be solo. He's going to be doing that same exact thing, but all on his own. And that's what solo is all about. Traffic pattern. The first solo is all about the traffic pattern, and that's it.
Thank you for watching. Come visit realaradventures.com for more or see link in the description. Please like and subscribe to our channel and keep your adventures real.